Content marketing trends that you need to know about. My name's Kevin from the Online Visibility Agency, and in today's video, we're going to talk about content marketing trends that you need to know about. Now, here's some things that you can think about implementing that are really going to help you out. Right, AI integration. We've all heard the growing trend of AI and how it can do all sorts of things, and it can really pretty much do our marketing for us. Incorrect. AI as a tool, as something that can speed up a process, is fantastic. It can never replace your experience. It can never replace knowing your subject matter as much as you do. So you can't just go write me this on that AI and go off and click copy and paste, right? Because 100 other people will get the same piece of nonsense, and what it will do is it will just spurt out stuff that ultimately everyone will go, AI wrote that. You need to use AI smart. There's lots of tools you can use now. It integrates in lots of things. But if we're looking from a marketing perspective, it can help us plan content. It can help us research stuff to a degree. It can help us organize ourselves with what we're trying to do. So explore AI a bit more. ChatGPT obviously is the well-known one, but there's many other AI programs out there that are just as good, if not better, for certain tasks. Next, short form video. This is a big deal at the moment. People are in a very fast-paced world, and often they just want to consume a bit of content that flows for them, and they just want to be in and done, and that's it, and move on. Short, engaging videos are on the rise. More and more are being published using platforms like Instagram Reels, Facebook Stories, YouTube Shorts. If YouTube are doing it and they're a video guru, why are we not taking advantage of that? So remember, short form videos, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, a minute video. If you can knock those out, then you're a winner, because that's exactly where lots of people are consuming information right now. It helps you get to the point, it cuts out your waffle, and it gets you moving up into front of people's minds when they're thinking about your particular type of business. And lastly, personalized content. Tailored content based on the user's preferences, so we can engage with them more. If you're getting people coming back and saying, I like this, I like that, I don't like this, I don't like that, listen to them. If they're your audience, listen to what they're telling you. They'll tell us by their action or inaction. They'll tell us by their behavior. We can poll them if you wish. But if we just ignore them and work to our own agenda and go, I don't care what you say, I'm delivering this and you're going to suck it up, you'll find your audience starts to dip. You'll find your inquiries start to dip and your profits plummet to the center of the earth, never to be seen again. Listen to your audience. They're your customers. They're the ones that are going to be paying you money to do what you do. So it's really important we take note of that. So content marketing trends, are they trends or are they here to stay? I'll let you work that out. But what I do know is these are some really good tips for you. Explore AI more. How can it benefit you in your marketing? Short form video is an absolute game changer, and personalize your content to what your audience want from you, not what you want to deliver. That's it for this video. Thanks very much. If you need any help, drop me a DM and I'll be more than pleased to help you out. Have a great day, everyone. See you in the next video.